Hello everyone, so this is just a very quick video about questions of most of the applicants and the existing 5-1 Talk teachers. So right now, hindi pa rin ma-access yung ating link kung saan tayo usually na pumapasok. Hindi ko rin alam kung ano talaga yung reason bakit hindi ma-access yung ating link, pero yung nakikita kong reason is yung big event ng 5-1 Talk in Mall of Asia right now in Manila. Kasi syempre most of the staff and then the recruitment teams are there. So, syempre, they halted or maybe they temporarily disabled the link para na makatime naman yung staff na makakoncentrate sa big event kasi that's a once in a lifetime event po na pupunta yung mga management ng 5-1 Talk from China here in our country to celebrate the Teachers Day big event. Marami kasing nagtatanong ng mga applicants kung bakit hindi rin ma-access yung aking referral link, including yung main link ng 5-1 Talk. So, I made this video to inform all na hindi naman nag-stop ng recruitment si 5-1 Talk. Siguro temporary lang talaga ito at saka babalik na kung okay na ang lahat. Kasi busy-busy yung mga staff and most of the teachers are also there on the big event. I'm supposed to be there too. Kaya lang for health reasons, so hindi talaga ako natuloy. So, wag lang kayong mag-alala, teachers, yung mga currently a-apply kasi hindi rin nila ma-access. Yung iba is onboarding na, yung iba is NTT, gusto nilang pumasok sa teachers portal pero hindi sila makapasok. Yun yung reason. And also for those planning to apply, I'll just inform you later if you can already access my referral link. So wag lang kayong mag-worry kasi continue pa rin yung recruitment ng 5-1 Talk. And for the existing teachers, yung login link na na-share ko, functional po yun. Doon rin ako nagla-login. So, maybe after a day or two, babalik na yung ating portal. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you so much and have a great teaching journey in 5-1 Talk. Bye-bye!